Hello, students. All of you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, we are in the chapter number 4 of the financial markets and banking operations. Okay. We have covered these types of banks and scheduled bank, okay, scheduled bank, non-scheduled commercial, regional rural bank and local bank, specialized bank, small finance, payment and mudra bank. Now we are going to touch with the NBFCs. Okay. This NBFCs known as non-banking financial corporations, okay, financial institutions you can say, okay. These are the non-banking financial institutions. Is also known as non-bank financial institutions are a financial institution that offers various banking services but do not have banking license. Okay, these industries or these types of NBFCs, they don't have banking license, but they will operate. They are going to give all types of services which the usually a banks will going to give you. Okay, this is the NBFCs. Okay, generally these institutes institutions are not allowed to take traditional demand deposits, readily available funds such as those in checking of saving accounts from the public. Okay, they don't want to accept any types of deposit, demand deposits. Okay, like how we have a saving accounts or FDs, they don't want to take that money. Okay, from the public. This limitation keeps them outside the scope of conventional oversight of from federal or state financial regulations. Okay, this will differentiate the banking industry and the non-banking financial companies you can say or institutions you can say. Okay, these institutions will not be able to accept any types of deposits. Okay, they're not allowed to take any traditional demand deposits. Okay, these types of NBFCs, non-banking financial companies or institutions, they're not going to accept any types of deposit. And this is one of the limitation, or this is one of the limitation which will keep the all the regular banks and the NBFC. There is a difference between these two, you can say. Okay, students, all of you with me? My voice
Yes,
is
sir.
clear. All of you are able to hear me clearly.
Yes.
Okay, just one minute. NBFCs, non-bank financial companies known as financial institutions, non-banking financial institutions, are entities that provide certain bank-like and financial services but do not hold banking license. These companies do not hold the banking license, how the bank will going to accept deposits and give the loans. But these NBFCs, they will provide services, but they don't have the banking license and they are not going to allow to accept the deposit. Like NBFCs are not subject to the banking regulation and oversight by federal and state authorities added by the traditional banks. Okay, just one minute. Okay, these NBFCs were apart from the, I mean, they were not going to follow the banking regulation because they were don't have the banking license. Those the companies, those the banks like small finance bank you can say or payment bank, they have banking license. They have to follow the banking regulations. But these NBFCs they don't have the license. Okay, but there will be some sort of services, financial services, investment banking, mortgage. Just one minute, I got a call. Just one minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, this we have seen these NBFCs, and the key points you can say NBFCs they don't have a banking license, and they were going to provide these services, and they were not going to accept any types of deposits, and the services that they are providing, like investment bank, mortgage lenders, okay, money market funds, insurance companies, hedge funds, private equity funds, P2P lenders are example of NBFCs. Okay, non-banking financial companies. Like if you have an insurance policy of yours, like 20 years is the tenure to mature the policy, and after 10 years you want loan, you can go to this insurance company, you can take a loan against your policy. Okay, this is a lending services they are going to give you. But they will going to give you some sort of banking services, but they don't have banking license, and they are not going to accept any types of your deposit, like how we are depositing our money in the banks, you can say, but NBFCs don't going to accept any types of deposit, but they will give you some sort of services, you can say. Okay, and what happens because of the recession, what happened in 2008, you can say there is a huge amount of good recession was there in the 2008. That time the NBFCs are playing a very important role, and they were going to meet the demand of the country credit demand, okay, demand of the country loan requirements of the corporate they are meeting, which are not met by our banking industry. Okay, this is a NBFC, you can say, they are providing some sort of banking services, but they are not as bankers, you can say. They don't hold the banking license, you can say. Students, all of you are getting my points? All of you with me?
Yes,
hello?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wholesale banking. Wholesale banking refers to our banking services sold to a large clients, such as other banks, other financial institutions, government agencies, large corporations, and real estate developers. It is the opposite of real banking, which focus on individual clients, small businesses. See here, wholesale banking, like this banking services, we are going to give to a large client. Like take an example of for the Tata employees, we are giving banking services, wholesale banking. Okay, means we are creating their accounts. Okay, in our banks only. Okay, their salary account, their accounts, their deposits, we are going to accept that. We are providing the services wholesale, large. The number of the client is big. Okay, you can take an example of another example for Reliance Industries. For Reliance Industries, SDFC is the bank. They are providing services for Reliance Industries. Okay, SDFC. Example, I told you there are a number of, you can take like for this for Shalimar Paints, for particular paint industry I am talking about, Shalimar Paints, for them the SDFC were providing the services. Okay, the large client, wholesale banking means we are giving the services to other financial institutions or other banks also we are giving services. Okay, like small banks like the cooperative banks we are going to take the services of large banks. Like again, take an example of this like Janata Cooperative Banks. Okay, in Pune Janata Cooperative Banks. They were going to take the services of ICICI Bank. Okay, other services which are not they are not able to give that services. Okay, other financial institutions or government agencies will going to take the service, wholesale banking. The large corporations are going to take the services. Real estate developers are going to take services. They are going to tie up with the banks for getting a loan for their buyers, real estate developers. They are going to tie up. They are going to get a wholesale banking. It is the opposite of retail banking. Okay, retail banking means individual client open the account, but wholesale banking, who all individuals are going to open their accounts and they are going to do business with the bank. Which focuses retail banking, which focuses on individual client and small businesses. You can say retail banking. Retail banking focuses on individual client, but wholesale banking focuses on large clients. Large clients, like I just have given you example of corporations, Tata, Reliance, okay, governments also, like in the Maharashtra government has opened their accounts of employees, Maharashtra state employees, their account they open in Axis Bank, some, okay, in Axis Bank. they were going to get services, wholesale banking services. Like some accounts are in the SBI also. The wholesale banking we are going to give to the governments also. Okay, it's clear, students. Hello, all of you
Yes,
with
sir.
me? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wholesale banking refers to the banking services sold to a large client such as corporations, other banks, and government agencies. Typical services sold are merge and acquisitions, consulting, currency conversion, underwriting. This services also they are going to give you if they require. Wholesale banking is operated retail banking which serves individual or small business. Most standard banks offer wholesale banking services in addition to traditional retail banking services. Okay, apart from traditional banking services, they are going to offer this extra wholesale banking services. Wholesale banking also refers to borrowing and lending between the institutional banks. Okay, the wholesale banking also refers to the borrowing between two banks. You can say institutional banking. You can say okay, like SBI is going to borrow some money from Indian Overseas Bank. Okay, it will going to happen in the wholesale banking. Next, we are going to see a retail banking. Retail banking is a way for individual customers to manage their money, okay, to manage their money, have access to credit and deposit their money in a secure manner, okay. Service offered by retail banks include checking and saving accounts, mortgages, personal loans, credit card, and certificate of deposits. Retail banking, like how we have doing a banking like individual customers or in small businesses they are doing a banking. Like I have opened an account in Axis Bank. I'm going to get the services of Axis Bank like uh, mortgage loan I will get, personal loan I will get, if I apply credit card I will get, okay, certificate of deposits I will get from the bank you will say. The retail banking focuses on individual customer, okay, for to manage their money. Like individual customers means human beings like me, you, or all of us. The retail banking is there. Wholesale banking they are going to concentrate on large clients. In retail banking, individual or individual customers. Okay, we are going to concentrate on individual customers. Okay, it is clear, students. Can we move further? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Retail banking provides financial services to individual customers rather than large institutions. Services offered include saving account, checking accounts, mortgage, personal loan, debit, credit card, or certificate of deposits. Retail banks can be local community banks, or retail banks can be local community banks, or the division of large commercial banks. Okay, small banks. It will be there a retail banks like when you will find like when you will means nowadays you will find the SBI is giving some small branches like deposit services or withdrawal services to particular CSCs, customer common service centers. Okay, common service centers, CSCs. For them, they are giving some sort of services. Okay, they will take the license of the bank and they are going to do from the bank they are going to operate and is in deposit or and withdrawal facility they are going to give you in a small villages also. Okay, this may be a retail banking you can see. In the digital age, many fintech companies, fintech means financially technologically sound, can provide all of the same services as retail banks through internet platform and smartphone apps also. Okay, now many banks have their smartphone applications. You can see they are going to provide the internet platform, or nowadays all of you are aware about that there is a core banking between in our country and all banks are attached means linked with each other. All banks branches you can say not bank branches were linked with each other. Then there is a good services we are going to get in the fintech companies you can say in the digital age you can see we are going to get some benefits you can see. While retail banking services are provided to individuals in the general public, corporate banking services are only provided to small or large companies and corporate bodies. Okay, wholesale banking services will be provided like large companies, you can say corporate bodies, but retail banking will be provided to individual or general public. Okay. Now we are going to see the next point, investment banking. Students, all of you are with me?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. We are there.
Yes, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me because it's all about theory subject we are learning. Okay. There is no any numerical or no any want to extra learning, because this all you know that. Okay, what do you mean by retail banking, investment banking? Okay. The investment banking, you can say, investment banking is a specific division of banking related to the creation of capital for other companies, governments, and other entities. Investment banking is a specific division of banking related to creation of capital, like take an example of like SBI or ICICI Bank is an investment banker. Investment banker. What they will do? Investment bankers. These banks are investment bankers. Means they are going to provide the services of creating a capital for the particular organization, for the particular companies, you can say, particular government, you can say, or any other entities, you can say. Like the Reliance Industries want big amount of capital. Okay, what they will do? They will firstly contact the investment banking companies, you can say, like ICICI or SDFC or any types of banks they will contact. Then they will ask them to raise the capital for us. Okay, and we will give you some sort of percentage of commission to you if you are raising the funds for us. Okay, investment banking services. They are providing investment banking services. You getting my point, students? Like nowadays, this is famous for like this investment banking. They are going to get investment for the particular companies, the particular corporates, you can say. Okay, these services they are going to give. This banking industry also gives the services, investment banking. It is another part of that. Okay, nowadays the banking industry, many banks were going to do different types of services to their customers, like from the investment services or insurance services, all types of services, or a demat account services they are going to give you, all types of services they are going to give you. Okay, nowadays the word demat account comes in my mind. From 1st August, there is a change in the rules of opening a demat account. How many of you have read the news? Students? Hello? Yes? All of you with me? Students, Udesh, Omkar?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you read the news of change in the rules of opening a demat account, which is going to affect from 1st August? How many of you have read the news? Hello? Yes, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please go and read and tell me tomorrow's class what is that news. I know that, but I am not going to tell you. You have to earn knowledge. Okay, it is available. Go and read what the changes have happened. Okay, please go through that, because we want to, like, again it is an investor education part. Investor education. If you want to invest, you have to, means you have to, where you want to invest, how you want to invest, you have to know that. Okay, please go and read that. What new changes are going to happen from 1st August, while opening a demat account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is investment banking only, BSc. Investment banking deals primarily with the creation of capital for the companies and governments. Investment banking activities includes underwriting new debt and equity securities for all types of corporates, adding in the sale of securities, adding means helping in a facilitate mergers, you can say, and acquisition, reorganization, and broker trades for both institutional and private investors. Like investment banking services, they are going to give underwriting services for the equities and debts. Okay, like in IPO, you can see this bank is an underwriter for the issue, like ICICI Bank is an underwriter, okay, for the issue, or they will help in the while selling the securities of the organization, you can say. In a merger also, these banks were helping the corporates, you can say, for acquisition or merger or reorganization. Okay, that is known as Securitization Act. Okay, Securitization Act which we are to learn in the fourth semester, Securitization Act. Okay, financial laws. In that, one of the law is Securitization Law, Securitization Act. This act we have to learn. In that act, like in mergers and acquisition and reorganization. The mergers we know, two companies come together, there is a merger, and acquisition, one company is taking over another company. But what do you mean by reorganization? Anyone can tell me, students? Reorganization? Hello? Anyone? Students? All of you are with me?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by reorganization? Reorganization. Anyone? Reorganization? Anyone can tell me what do you mean by reorganization? Anyone? Reorganization. The bank will going to help the companies for reorganization. Hello? Students, all of you with me? Yes? Anyone? Omkar, Pooja, Haridas, Jayant, Mudliya, Pujari. What do you mean by reorganization? Okay. Anyone? Students? Simran?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Okay. Give me the response, then I will tell you what do you mean by reorganization. Reorganization here, the banks going to help the corporates to reorganize their debts, and debts means all types of creditors or loans, you can say all types of debt. Okay, they are going to reorganize that. Like you have taken a loan from the particular bank, and from last 2 years you are not paying any amount, and they were charging you penalties and interest, they were charging you regularly. And now it is quite difficult for the companies to repay that. In that what happens in the reorganization, they will try to contact with the bank, and they will, these are known as securitization companies. Securitization companies. These banks or these companies come to bank. They will going to ask the bank to reduce the interest rates or reduce the charges, additional charges whichever they have charged, or they will ask to reduce the interest rate and increase the period for the payment of the loan. Decrease the interest rate and repayment of the loan, like 10 years loan mortgage, increase 20 years, 50 years. The corporates will going to come with that. Because right now they don't have funds, but in the future for the company, for the corporate, is the bright future is there for the company, and right now they were facing a financial crunch, that they were not able to pay you. These banks were going to give you guidance to the or assistance to the companies, like they were going to decrease the rate of interest, or they were going to extend the period, and they will try to reduce the charges which they have charged, or they will waive off the charges that they were going to give you in the reorganization. In the banking point of view, I am talking about. In the investment point of view, or financial point of view, I am talking about. Again, I am telling you. Reorganization, they are going to help us. Like broker trades, when you are want to sell the securities and all that, that time they are going to help. For both institutional and private investors also, they are going to help. Okay, investment bankers. Investment bankers help corporations, governments, and other groups plan and manage financial aspects of a large projects. You can say for a large project, these banks, investment bankers will help for the governments for in the project is large, and to collect the money to generate the capital for that purpose. Also, they are going to help us, help the corporates, you can say, or governments also for raising a funds for the particular project, you can say, which is having huge cost. For that project, they are going to help you. Okay, now next we are going to see corporate banking. Corporate banking is a subset of business banking that involves a range of banking services that are offered only to corporates. The services include the provision of credit, cash management facilities. Okay, corporate banking is a subset of banking, you can say, business banking. that involve doing the business services that are offered to only to corporate. These services include provision of credit, cash management facility that will be there in the corporate banking. Corporate banking. Like the corporate banking services like credit services. Credit services means we are going to be loans, related credit products are offered to corporate customers. Corporate customers we are giving this facility. Credit facility from largest share of profit for commercial banks. Okay, credit facility forms like credit facility like see here the commercial banks with all types of private and nationalized banks. Their main income is from like what is the main income? Main income is giving the loan and getting the interest or means the borrower will want to repay the loan with a particular interest, and then this is the main source of the income. Okay, for all commercial banks. Okay, these services we are going to give to corporate banking. Okay, in corporate banking we are going to give services to corporates. These credit services. Okay, like again fixed deposit requirement financing. We are going to give fixed deposit services to the corporates, you can say. Okay, treasury services. Okay, managing their working capital requirements. For them we are helping. These banks we are going to help in some cases in treasury services. Okay, then employee services. Commercial banks also provide services in the collection of means at the time selection of retirement plans, healthcare plans. Okay, as the payroll facilities for employees. These employer services they are going to provide the for corporates, you can say the payroll services they are going to provide, or retirement plans they are going to provide. Okay, like commercial services they are going to give you. Commercial services means restructuring debt, equity restructuring. Okay, portfolio analysis. Commercial services they are going to give to the corporates, you can say, or they will commercial services they are going to help in the initial public offering of the corporates. The commercial services. Okay, commercial services means they are going to charge for these services. Like in the investment bank also they are going to provide, but in a corporate banks they are no as corporate banks also provide the services, or they will help in the initial public offering, you can say. Okay. Anyone any doubts in this? Hello, all of you are with me, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is private banking. Private banking is the banking, investment, and other financial services provided by banks and financial services firms primarily to high net worth individuals. Okay, high net worth individuals with high level of income or sizable assets. Okay, here private banking means we are going to concentrate, we are going to give you our banking services, financial services like investment services, okay, personal financial planning, personal financing planning, retirement planning, estate planning, or investment services. Whatever banking services are there, we are going to provide to private players or private players, private individuals, those who are having high net worth, means their regular income is high and their assets are high, means sizable assets, big assets they have. Like a person who owning a good amount with him, like regularly he is earning 2 crores or 5 crores regularly he is earning per month, 5 crores he is earning. In that case, this banking give you private services to that particular high net worth individual. Banks will go to their doorstep and give the services. Okay, in private banking, they will want to satisfy whatever services they have with them, like investment banking, retirement planning, okay, portfolio management services, okay, and the many services they are going to give you. Okay, whatever services are you have seen in the banking, the withdrawal and deposit, and all services we are going to give at the doorstep of the high net worth individuals. Okay, which are earning high level of income, or they have good amount of assets, like a person owning 50 acres of land in the Mumbai area, Mumbai. Okay, this I'm talking about. Just I have an example. High sizable assets means how much will be the assets? Good assets, sizable. It is a good. Depends upon bank to bank. To whom they are going to consider the high net worth individuals. Okay, high net worth individuals. To whom they are going to consider? For them, they are going to give you private banking services. Okay, it's clear. private banking forms a more exclusive subset of wealth management, especially affluent. You can say we are means giving the services. We are and it was exclusively for him only. We have gone to their doorstep and they are giving the banking services, investment services, insurance services, okay, and the investment portfolio management services or demat services. We are going to give insurance services, all types of mutual services we have. The investment services comes investing in mutual fund, insurance, or anywhere you want to invest, we are going to give services to you in the private banking. It is clear, students? Hello, all of you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next is development. Next is development banking. Development banking, there is no precise definition of development bank. William Diamond and Shirley Boski consider industrial finance and development corporations are as a development bank. Fundamentally, a development bank is a term lending institutions. Okay, lending institutions like in here in our country, like the development banks are there. The CDB, Small Industrial Development Bank, it's CDB. Okay, Small Industrial Development Bank. They are going to give a finance for the developing entrepreneurs or small scale industries. They are going to give a loan. Okay, there is no precise definition of development bank, but development bank is for the development of the society, for the development of the enterprise, for development of the village, development of the community. They are going to give you loans. Okay, these are the development banks. You can say development banks for development of the country. They are going to give a loan. Okay, make a negligible rate of interest they are going to charge, or like in agriculture sector you can say the NABARD. NABARD is also a development bank. Okay, they are going to give services to the farmers or individuals those who are doing farming or the small industries, ancillary industries which depends on farming you can say. Okay, for them they are going to give loans. Okay, these development banks. Clear, students? Hello. Yes. Next.
Yes.
Features of development banks. It is specialized institutions. Okay. These features and some of the characteristics of features we are going to see. This is specialized institutions, financial institutions. It provides medium and long-term finance to business units. Unlike commercial bank, it does not accept deposit from public. Okay, like how the commercial bank is going to accept deposit, but this development bank is not going to accept any type of deposit. It is not just a term lending institution. It is a multiple purpose financial institution. It is specially a development oriented bank. Its primary objective is to promote economic development by providing investment and entrepreneurial activities in a developing economy. It encourages new and small enterprises and seeks balanced regional growth. Okay, we want to be a balanced regional growth. We want to achieve that. Reason these banks were functioning in the particular area. You can say. It provides financial assistance not only to private sector but also to the public sector undertaking. It aims at promoting the service, savings and investment habits in the community. It does not compete with the normal channel of finance. Finance already made available by banks and other conventional financial institutions. Its its major role in the gap filler means those the conventional banking industries or banking industry will not going to give a loan to the particular businesses. This development bank want to where they want to give a loan. Okay, filling deficiencies in of existing financial facilities. Its motive is to serve public interest rather than make profit. It works in the general interest of the nation. You can say this development bank work for the public, and the motive is not to earn a profit. Their motive is to develop the community. Okay, develop the nation. This is there in the development banking. Students, anyone have any doubts in this? Hello? Yes?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is all about the today's session. Just 1 minute, I will tell you how much we have covered in the chapter number 4. Just 1 minute. Huh? Just 1 minute, students. See you soon. The chapter number 4, we are going to read like Mudra Bank, using small finance bank, specialized bank, NBFCs, types of banking, wholesale, retail, investment banking, corporate, private, development banks. This all we have seen. Now in next class we are going to touch with the chapter number 5. Okay. The concept in banking and accounting transactions. Okay, this is RTGS, microcode, MICR, okay, ATM, OCI, OMR, data need, petty cash, what do you mean by electronic clearing services. This all we are going to see in the next class. These all are the simple parts you can say. Okay. This is relating to banking operations. Okay. Clear, students? And in the personal financial planning also, we try to cover up to section in next class up to 80 EU or 80 JGBA, ADI, or I will try to cover maximum in the next class also of the our subject. Okay, like anyone any doubts in this, please ask me. And I have already shared with you the CC parameter number 2. Okay, and then final I will send you the final case study for this chapter, for the subject, for each subject I am going to share with you. Okay. Anyone any doubts in the students? Hello. All of you listening? Okay. Now, if you have any doubts regarding the examination or regarding the MOOC courses, the SWAYAM portal, please ask me. SWAYAM portal is going very nicely, and there are good it is a 2 credit course we are going to offer through that. Okay. It's clear, students? Yes. Yes, all of you will complete the MOOC courses also. Okay. Thank you for tuning. Have a good day. Just 1 minute, I will download attendance. Otherwise. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to end the meeting, and again we are going to meet at 11 o'clock. Okay. Thank you. Good day.